bought some vinyl. Ahoy ahoy everybody, and welcome to another haul video. So part one of this duo was the stuff I bought today in my charity shops in Fareham. This is part two, where I went to a record shop where I'd been before, plus a new place there. It's called Robin's Nest Emporium, I think, and it's one of these big shops that's got lots of little stalls inside that are owned by different people, and then you just pay for it all in one cashier at the end. And there was one vinyl, music only stall that was good, but I didn't pick anything up. I had some Prince bootlegs I was tempted by, but I'm trying to avoid getting many bootlegs on vinyl. But somewhere I'll definitely check out again. Another stall that had a fair bit of vinyl, but it didn't look in great nick. And then the store that I got a few bits from, which were called Vintage Vinyl, and they had a nice range, and I got 3 bits from there. First up was Chas and Dave's Jamboree Bag 3. I'm not a big lover. These are my least favourite Chas and Dave albums, the Jamborees. They're basically huge long medleys of classic songs, you know, old music hall songs and things like that. So for $4.75 I nearly didn't get this, but I had a look. The vinyl's in good nick, and it also comes with a songbook of all the lyrics. It's got some of their originals as part of them as well. I mean, they're fun, but they're not what I love about Chas and Dave. They're the reason they got a bad reputation. But yeah, as I say, it's all in good condition, so, and I want to complete Chas and Dave on vinyl if I can. So it's not that much, $4.75 for 2 records. A 12-inch single. This is Gangster Lovin', which is Eve featuring Alicia Keys, and I've got it for Alicia's involvement. I don't own this song in any format. Nothing spectacular, but again, it looked in good condition, and it was only, what was it, £3.50 for that. And then I'll put that back in a minute. And the other one I picked up from there was another one from my Stevie Wonder collection, and this is Hotter Than July. So this is his album from somewhere. Find a date on it anywhere. $19.80. As you can see, the inner sleeve needs a bit of repair, but the vinyl's in good condition. This is best known, this album, for Master Blaster Jammin' and Happy Birthday. Yeah, I think that's the 2 biggies from this. But yeah, I'm gradually getting Stevie's stuff on vinyl. So from there, I went down to Heathen Chemistry, which is a record shop. I went in last time I did a Fareham haul, but I was sort of pounced on as soon as I got in, you know, anything you were looking for. And I said Prince, and he took me straight to, he said, oh, the only Prince I've got is this, and it was a purple vinyl bootleg that I bought and I've shown on here. And it was, I sort of didn't have time to properly look around, so today I went in knowing I was going to properly browse. I started following them on Instagram as well, and so I had a couple of bits in I was hoping they still had. And I did get, yeah, both of them, I think. I'm trying to remember what it was, but yes, I did get both of them. I was the only one there. I said hello to the guy as I went in, and he sort of left me for a bit, and then he asked if there was anything specific I was looking for. So I just said, no, I'm just seeing if there's anything I can't live without. So this is what I picked up. So this is Jesus Christ Superstar. I've talked many times already about how much I love Jesus Christ Superstar. This is the original double album of the double album, because it was originally recorded as an album before it went on stage, and this is that. They're all play checked and they put on the label, so this plays through. It's an early pressing and it's got the booklet. So that was £6, which we'll come to in a minute. You may have seen elsewhere, I'm a big Bond fan, and I like collecting the various compilations of the theme tunes done by different people. This is the 007 band doing James Bond thrillers. I really like the cover. It's very reminiscent of the paperbacks from the 60s. And again, this should have been £2.99. This is from 1965. Another bit of Stevie. This is Journey Through the Secret Life of Plants. Bit of wear. Looks like water damage or something at the bottom of the sleeve, but it's £4.99. It's an Irish pressing, 2 LPs. Again, plays through fine. Bit of a notorious album this, and I've not heard it yet, so I'm interested to do that. Just noticed the braille on the bottom of the cover. Big fan of Harry Nilsson, as I have mentioned before. And this is Save the Last Dance from Me from 1977. It's a compilation from throughout his career. But it's got some good tracks on it. And it was £2.99. Again, they all say play through, so it's fine. This is one of the ones I saw. I saw they had Chaz and Dave. I couldn't see what it was. One of them was the one I picked up for £1 that I showed on my charity shop video. I'm glad I did the charity shop first and saved myself a couple of quid. And this was the other one they had, and it's their Christmas Carol album. I've just got this for completeness sake, really. Not something I'm overly keen on. But I'd say, for completeness sake, it's good to have. I picked up T'Pau's The Promise album. I'm trying to remember what it was called. From a slice of vinyl a while back. And I thought, when I saw they had Rage for £3.99, I thought, what the hell? Might as well get it. So this was sort of their second album. Well, it was their second album. So after the big hit. So this has got Secret Garden, I think was the best selling single from this. But like Bridge of Spies, it was produced by Roy Thomas Baker, best known for producing Queen probably. And then I mentioned when I picked up a couple of Python records from a slice of vinyl, but one I really wanted was Matching Tie and Handkerchief. Ta-da! So this is Matching Tie and Handkerchief. It's got the original inserts. It plays fine. And it's got the pull-out. I'm not quite sure. It has come unglued, so I'm not quite sure how this is meant to work. It's got the pull-out sleeve. And then, let's say it's got the original insert. And the reason I wanted this album particularly is it is double grooved. So it's a typical Python. So the label says it's a free record given away with Monty Python's Matching Tie and Handkerchief on both sides. And of course it isn't. It is Matching Tie and Handkerchief. They're both labelled side 2. They're both labelled 33 and a third. I've got a funny feeling. I can't remember. I think that's another one of the things. But one of the sides plays at 45. But then also one of the sides is double grooved. So when you put it on, you don't know which half of the record you're going to get. So that'll be fun to play and play with. And then I was rummaging through these bargain bins. Didn't have any prices on, so I guess they'd probably be £1. I only went through about half of them in the end, but I did grab Bridge of Spies, T'Pau's first album. I'm not quite sure why this was in it. I mean, a bit of sleeve damage, but nothing major. And the record's in excellent condition. I couldn't see anything. It's dirty, or dusty, you know, but nothing that a clean won't solve. And only, you know, a few light marks on there. So I don't know why it was in the bargain bins. I'm sure we could have got £2 or £3 for it. But yeah, anyway, I checked for new vinyl. The only prints he had was the one I bought from him last time. He had another copy of that. And another one that I already had. And I asked him if he had any Prince singles, and he said, no, I don't think so. And he cleared a bit. He was sorting some records, and he'd actually covered the P's in the singles. So he cleared it for me, and I had a look, and no, he didn't. But I took him up. So first thing he said was that I could have that one for nothing, because it was in my bargain bin. And then he was going through. So Python should have been £11.99, £12. T'Pau should have been £4, so that's 16. Chaz and Dave, £3, so that's 19. Another £3, 22. Fiver for Stevie's, 27. Another 3, 30. And another 6. So that's £36. He let me have it for 24. Can't say fairer than that. You know, didn't even need to try and get any money off. He was just happy to do it. So yeah, really happy with that. A good haul from them. Looking forward to going through them. Yes, so that was it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these. Any appeal to you, let me know. You can't have them, but it'd be nice to talk about them. Like, subscribe, comment, all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you in another video. Bye.